Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm recording 2 videos today. One of them I can't finish recording today. Go ahead and just turn your notifications on and it'll alert you as soon as that video drops. But for the one I've been waiting to do for the longest time, really ever since I bought an E92. So right now I actually have the parts in my car. So we're gonna go ahead and hop outside and we're gonna go ahead and get started. All you're really gonna need is a pair of plastic pry tools, and that's about it. So right now we're gonna go ahead and make our way to my car. You have to see I'm always repping the Vader, always. Beautiful day outside. Beautiful day for car videos. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in it. So basically what we're gonna be doing today, guys, we'll be replacing my side indicators. These are actually the new ones I just ordered off Amazon. I can't remember the exact brand, but I'll leave the link down below. This guy on his 135 had a set of these and they looked phenomenal. So what these are going to be is they're going to be sequential turn signals. So a regular light is basically just going to ping on and off. So every time you turn your turn signal, it's going to come on, off, on, off. What these are is they're sequential. It's gonna be like a little loading bar. It's gonna load, reset, load, reset, load, reset. So I think so, looks sweet. And on top of that, y'all can see right here, mine are dingy. So I actually have not opened these up yet. So I haven't had a first impression. Right now I'm going to unbox them with y'all and we're gonna see how these look. Also, shout out to Sperry. You always gotta rock a pair of Sperry's. Go good with everything. It's a moment of truth. The hype, the hype, the hype, the hype. How y'all think these are gonna look? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, guys. Look at that. So we're gonna go from those to these bad boys. So right now we're gonna go ahead and get to it. But basically all you're gonna do is grab this, you're gonna push this assembly back, then this side is gonna pop up. So this assembly is gonna go back, there's a little spring clip in there, and then you're gonna pop this up. Use our plastic pry tool, just carefully. So just like that, and you can see it already starting to kind of come out. And then once you're able to wedge it out a little bit with the plastic pry tool, this is actually gonna slide back that way. So, it's just like that, guys. It's seriously that simple. So now what you're gonna do from here, without scratching your paint up, you're gonna wiggle out this little harness and you're just gonna unplug it. The only thing required to unplug is this one little button clip right up here at the top. You can see it. Press that in, pull it out. And just like that, guys, we have our side marker removed. For the most satisfying part is peeling this. Oh yeah, peeling this off. Put your trash away, guys. Don't litter, by the way. Wow, look at that. Guys, that's gonna look way better. So just like that. Boom. So before we go ahead and plug this all the way back in, what you do is you're gonna pop your key in the car, use your turn signal, and make sure it lights up. I know I'm pointing the camera at my wheels and y'all can't see it, but I'm telling you right now, it looks phenomenal. So stick with me and go ahead and pop the key out. We're gonna do the other side. And all you really wanna do to install these, this little metal clip, you wanna bend it back ever so slightly. You don't wanna break it, just ever so slightly. And keep on, just millimeter by millimeter, keep on doing that until you finally secure a good grip. Once it gets in, what I'm doing is I'm just bending it back just a little bit. And now you wanna go in, you wanna slide in from the rear, and then this little clip right here is gonna secure in there. I pry this back as I'm pulling this whole assembly in. And my apologies if the footage isn't good, but I'm recording myself, so. Then you just wanna hook it in there, and the more forward you pull it, the tighter it will stay secured. Otherwise, see, you can just pull it out. So like I said, you wanna keep playing with it and sliding it forward that way. All right, and just like that, they're installed. And so you can see it's not gonna seat 100% properly. It is aftermarket. It does have some foam back there to keep out the moisture, but I would recommend if you're washing it, don't like power wash directly in this area. But I think we can all agree that looks way better than this dingy old thing. So I can go ahead and show y'all how it actually looks. So here we go, we're gonna go ahead and pop our key in. Key is in the ignition. And here we go, guys. Y'all about to see how it looks. Well guys, that is it for today's video. If y'all found it helpful, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you have any questions on installing the side markers, like the best way to do it or the wiring or anything like that, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Also, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know how y'all think they look. I think they look great, but everybody's taste is different. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.